Hi guys, today we are going to have you join our code.org website so that you guys can start learning programming. You can learn at your own pace, you can play your own games. The entire program will track your progress and let you pick up wherever you leave off. And if you have any issues, Miss Demery and Miss Durham can absolutely help you through them. We can also monitor your account and see how far you are progressing. So what you're going to do first is when you get on the internet, just go right up here to the search bar and type in code.org and hit enter. The next thing you want to do is sign in, and here's where you're going to create a new account. You will sign in and you will go to continue with Google. Do not type in your code yet here because it's not working properly. So just continue with your Google accounts. You will click this button. After it has loaded, you should see your name. You will click it and it should let you into the program. Go ahead and fill out these questions. Account type is student. Your name, first and last, should already be here. If it is not, please type in carefully your first name and your last name. Under age, tell us how old you are. And gender, you can tell me you're male, female, or just skip it. I don't care. Make sure you agree to this little button right here. Then you can go to my account. This is where you are going to type in the code that we will provide you for your grade level. You will go to the bottom of this first page. So again, you come here, just go over, scroll straight down. It says classroom sections. It says join a section, and you are going to type in that 6-digit code that we give you. Fourth grade is SDF and HV. If you are third grade, you will type in HLSSPM. If you are second grade, it will be CHJBDD, and first grade will be XJWFFH. So I'll just type in first grade. I'll join as if I'm a first grader. Type in your code, join the section, and nothing happened. Let me try that again. XJWFFH. There we go. Success. So now I am a first grader with North Rose. The teacher is Miss Demeray. I can see my section code, and from here I can start my very first lesson. Go click right there on course A. You will watch these unplugged activities. You can click them if you want to see them, but we're not going to do those until the week after. We actually might do different activities anyway, but you can skip this first part if you don't want to watch the video, and you can go straight to sequencing. And this one is learn to drag and drop. You just click on lesson 1. It will progress you through all the lessons, and then as you get better, you'll just keep going through the lessons. Anytime you see unplugged activity, don't worry about it. Miss Demery and Miss Durham will definitely help you during those periods when we get to them, okay? And when you're done, all you have to do is just close out of the tab you're in, and you are free to work on this whenever you have time.